Hi, my name is Dr. Sachin Gupta, and I'm the director of the Swedish Cochlear Implant Program and the Swedish Acoustic Neuroma Program. I'm excited to invite you to attend the first of our upcoming live ear surgery series. On March 21st, I'll perform a Tympanoplasty procedure live via Zoom. What makes this live ear surgery series unique is the opportunity to observe a moderated surgery in real time. You'll gain insights into the latest techniques and approaches that we use here at Swedish in the operating room. This live ear surgery series is ideal for physicians of all levels who are eager to expand their knowledge of ear surgery. Whether you're looking to refine your skills or stay up to date on the latest advancements, this course offers a rare chance to witness procedures and have them explained in real time. We created this live ear surgery series to provide a place where physicians can observe high-quality surgical techniques in a real-world setting. By offering live surgeries, we aim to inspire, educate, and equip healthcare providers with the tools they need to deliver exceptional patient care. So please join me on March 21st for the first installment of our live ear surgery series.